Welcome to AI Smart Bites. Today, we're diving into an important topic: the impact of AI on the job market. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries and reshaping how we live and work. But what does this mean for jobs? Will AI create opportunities or lead to widespread job displacement? In this video, we'll explore both sides of the story. Let's start by understanding how AI is currently being used in the workplace. AI is automating repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative and strategic work. For example, chatbots handle customer inquiries 24/7, improving response times. AI-powered algorithms help analyze data faster than ever before, aiding decision-making. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI are assembling products with precision and efficiency. But with automation comes concern. Jobs involving repetitive tasks are at the highest risk of being replaced by AI. Roles like data entry, basic accounting, and even retail cashiers face automation threats. So, where does this leave the workforce? History shows that technological advancements often disrupt jobs but also create new ones. Let's take the Industrial Revolution as an example. While it eliminated many manual labor jobs, it also created roles in factories and engineering. AI is no different. It's transforming jobs, not just eliminating them. Now, let's explore the jobs that AI is creating. AI development itself is a booming field, with high demand for data scientists and AI engineers. New roles like AI ethicists, data labelers, and robot trainers are emerging. AI is also enabling the rise of entirely new industries, such as autonomous vehicles and smart city development. On the flip side, AI is enhancing existing roles. For example, marketers now use AI tools to analyze consumer behavior and personalize campaigns. Doctors use AI to diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. AI isn't just replacing humans, it's empowering them to do more. Still, not everyone is benefiting equally from these advancements. The rise of AI is widening the skills gap, favoring those with tech-savvy expertise. Workers in traditional roles need to upskill or reskill to stay competitive. So, what can be done to prepare for the AI-driven job market? Education and training are critical. Governments, companies, and institutions must invest in programs that teach AI and data skills. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy make learning these skills accessible. But technical skills alone aren't enough. Soft skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence remain irreplaceable by AI. Jobs requiring human connection, such as counseling, teaching, and caregiving, are less likely to be automated. Another way to prepare is by embracing lifelong learning. The ability to adapt to new technologies and roles is a key survival skill in the AI era. Governments also play a role in ensuring a fair transition. Policies like universal basic income and reskilling programs can help support displaced workers. Meanwhile, companies must prioritize ethical AI deployment. This includes transparency in how AI is used and ensuring it complements, rather than replaces, the workforce. The future of work will also involve collaboration between humans and AI. Think of AI as a co-worker, not a competitor. AI excels at repetitive tasks, while humans bring creativity, empathy, and judgment. Together, this combination leads to greater innovation and productivity. Let's look at industries where AI is driving this collaboration. In healthcare, AI helps analyze medical images, while doctors focus on patient care. In finance, AI detects fraud, while analysts interpret the insights to make strategic decisions. In manufacturing, robots assemble products, while humans oversee quality and innovation. So, what does the future hold for the job market as AI continues to evolve? Experts predict that some jobs will disappear, but many more will be created. By 2030, industries like green energy, AI ethics, and robotics are expected to see job booms. While no one can predict the exact outcome, one thing is clear: adaptation is key. AI will redefine work, but it won't replace the need for human ingenuity. The question isn't whether AI will change the job market, it already is. The real question is how we'll adapt to harness its potential. For those who embrace change, the AI revolution is filled with opportunities. For businesses, leveraging AI can unlock new efficiencies and markets. For workers, understanding AI can future-proof your career. And for society, ethical AI practices can lead to a fairer, more inclusive future. At Smart Bytes, our mission is to help you stay ahead in this fast-changing world. So, what do you think about the impact of AI on jobs? Will it be a net positive or negative? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Bytes for more insights on AI and its impact. The future of work is being shaped today, and you're part of the story. Together, let's build a smarter, more inclusive world with AI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.